Hello, welcome back to BlenderSushi Live Noding. This video is gonna be short and simple. It's basically another look at Sverchok ObjectID GET. Here I'm using the shape keys. Normally I'm using the objects, right? And the objects has multiple type. Whether you're looking at mesh, curve, surface, metaballs, armature, etc. We have looked at them at some point, but this one is specifically directly looking into the shape keys of objects. I found that shape keys of 3D mesh is really powerful. You can easily add like a shape keys at any time. For example, we have here. I actually start with this cube, and this cube has key shape key 1 and shape key 2. Shape key 2 being it's doing like a weird deformation like that. I'm not gonna use the key shape 2. In other package like Maya, they call it blend shape. What we are gonna look is the key 1, which is basically just the object shrinking down until it's like 0, 0, 0. We can actually use that for any objects. And here with the setup, you can see this is all the shape keys being loaded, and here I'm specifying key blocks number 1, which is this guy right here. If I look at history, bpy.data shape keys, name key blocks key 1, and the value is our key value in order to make this to work. So now we have 6 objects doing this shrinking down and growing up. As usual, this is just a frame plug into the multiplier, and this is controlling the speed. And this one goes into the sine, but we also have this multiple data stuffed into the value. Yeah, so that's pretty basic, simple and easy. You can also just use like a random number, for example, random value count of 6, and just randomize the seed. The cool thing about this is that you can select all of them and make like a duplicate, and in theory everything should just work. Currently it's actually doing this clever looping inside here. We only have like 6 values here. If we want to be more accurate, we need 24 of them, so we have all these 24 different value. But as you can see, even if you have like value less than the total number, it's still gonna work. And if you want to be more specified, like which objects need to be controlled, you can use object ID filter. Just plug that in, and then only one object will be growing and shrinking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess this can be really useful if you have like object and then you have different shape keys, just to make like slight variations to your character. For example, if you have multiple characters, you can definitely just select the objects and add a shape key. And then let me pause a little bit. Let's say for these objects, I'm gonna make another shape keys, and then with this one, I'm gonna make a change here. Just go to edit mode and then just reshape. And then now this guy is still doing this shrinking and whatnot, but still now it looks slightly different. Let's try again with this guy. Shape key number 2. Create another shape key and then go to edit mode. scale this down, and you see how it looks different. It's basically still the same object, just it's been edited, but you can have that kind of variations per mesh. Okay, that's pretty much it for this live noding video. If you have any questions, suggestion, you can leave it down below. I'll give you this this setup as GIS just for you to try it. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.